it's Emily from Art from the Heart, and today I'll be unboxing all the goodies I received from the new Simon Hurley Create release. It's always a joy to receive my box from Ranger. I'm getting my first look here, just as you are. Let's see what's in this box. First up are a couple of stencils. This first one is the awesome Window Maker stencil, and I love scene building with stencils, so this one will see a lot of use. I love the shapes here, and I can see myself using them for many things other than windows. Next up is the Lou stencil, which has the cutest name. This reminds me of beautiful tiles in Spanish architecture, so whatever Lou this is in, it must be a magazine-worthy bathroom. I can see this being monochromatic or very colorful. There are so many patterns you can make with this stencil. Ooh, the red rubber background stamps. These are 6 by 6 inches, so they will cover an entire A2 card base, whether your card is designed horizontally or vertically. This first one is Timber, and I love that you can stamp it as a whole or separate it into 4 different stamps. This makes it easy to create scenes with open spaces or even multicolored trees. I'm most excited about this school Scribbles background. This is the coolest background, and Simon must have had so much fun designing it. I love the thicker lines of the graffiti-style doodles, and it's very different from anything else Simon has illustrated. I love the open lines on this prom dress background. The big florals will look so beautiful, colored in detail and even loosely watercolored. I'm sure this will quickly become a favorite. This last background stamp is called Watercolor Blooms, so it's no surprise that it gives the illusion of watercolored blooms when stamped. Just like Timber, this background can be stamped as a whole, or you can remove 5 pieces and stamp them separately to create a unique flower or pattern of flowers and leaves. Next up are the 6 by 9 inch clear stamps. These stamp sets are big, and each set includes more than enough images and sentiments to keep you creating. You'll never run out of ideas. This gorgeous flower picking Friends caught my eye because of the 3 mega flowers. They're big enough to fill an entire A2 card, and that makes me happy because I love clean and simple designs. I love the way Simon paired these flowers with adorable little animals with big hearts. Who can resist them? Next up is Bird Buddies, and this is the funniest set. When I first saw that dancing bird in the bottom right-hand corner, I burst out laughing. Its position is hilarious, and I also love the expression on the bird with huge eyes. It'll be so much fun to combine these images with previously released stamp sets. Puppy Puns is one of the most versatile stamp sets in this release. Look at all those puppy faces. I just love the variety of breeds, along with the accessories and sentiments. If you're a dog lover, you definitely need this stamp set. Finally, we have the Encouraging Words stamp set. Wow, I did not expect these sentiments to be so big, but I love that they are because they're perfect for clean and simple designs. Sometimes you just want the sentiment to be the focus of the card, and these words are great on their own. I always say that I love fonts with a combination of scripted words and classic simple fonts, so it's perfect that Simon combined both his cursive and printed handwriting. Last but not least, we have the inks. I'm so excited for these, and I love how they round out the initial set of 12 ink colors. These new colors are so gorgeous, and I'm excited to combine them with the original colors. First up, we have Tropical Tango, which is a teal green that pairs up incredibly well with so many colors in Simon's ink collection, especially the paler colors. Next, we have Guppy, which is more of a true orange, especially when compared to Traffic Cone. It's definitely a great addition to the rainbow. Psych may be my favorite color ever since I love colors like golden olive, chartreuse, and citron. This is exactly how I would describe Psych. Minty Fresh will give Psych a run for its money because it's the perfect mint for me. I would say it's a warm mint with a bit of gray in it, and it's one of those pastels that stamps incredibly well. Crown Me is a true rich purple. Much like Guppy, I'm excited to add purple to Simon's collection of inks. It really completes the rainbow. Finally, we have Piggyback. I was most excited to see the reveal of this color because I needed a color I could use for skin tones. I look forward to experimenting and possibly mixing it with Grrr and Woof to get the skin tones just right. As always, it's a good idea to have ink refills. Since Simon's inks are also reactive to water, they're perfect for watercoloring, and having the refills plus my recently acquired ink palette will make it much easier to create with these inks. I think I should do an ink swatching video and set up this palette at the same time. What do you think? Would you like to see that? You can shop the entire release below or on my blog. I'll be sharing project videos with these fabulous new products soon. Thanks so much for watching!